Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The Wancle electric Burr coffee grinder is a compact appliance designed to bring the benefits of freshly ground coffee into a home kitchen without requiring a significant financial investment. At its core, this machine is built around the fundamental principle that the quality of a cup of coffee is heavily dependent on the uniformity of the grind. Unlike traditional blade grinders that chop beans into uneven pieces using a spinning blade similar to a blender, this model uses a Burr system to crush the beans to a specific and consistent size. It is positioned in the market as an accessible entry point for those looking to move away from pre-ground coffee or basic blade grinders. Available for approximately $28 at the time of writing, it offers a range of features typically found in more expensive units, such as adjustable grind settings and a multi-cup capacity. The primary goal of this device is to provide a consistent grind that allows for better flavor extraction, whether the user prefers a coarse French press or a finer drip brew. It is a straightforward piece of equipment that prioritizes utility and ease of use over complex digital interfaces or luxury materials. By focusing on the essential mechanics of coffee grinding, it seeks to provide a reliable daily solution for the average coffee drinker who wants to improve their morning routine. Looking at the construction and aesthetics, the Wancle grinder features a predominantly black plastic exterior with a transparent hopper and grounds container. This choice of material keeps the unit lightweight and helps maintain a lower price point, making it an affordable addition to a kitchen setup. The design is functional and space-efficient, which is a major advantage for kitchens where counter space might be limited or for users who prefer to store their appliances in a cabinet between uses. The top of the machine houses the bean hopper, which is where the whole beans are stored before they pass through the internal grinding mechanism. Below that is the grinding chamber itself, followed by a removable transparent container that catches the finished grounds. The interface is intentionally simple, consisting of a dial to select the number of cups and another side-mounted dial to adjust the grind size across 28 different levels. Because it is made of plastic, the unit is easy to wipe down and keep clean, though users might notice that static electricity can sometimes cause coffee dust to cling to the sides of the plastic bin. This is a common characteristic of plastic grinders and is something to keep in mind when transferring grounds to a brewer. The internal burrs are the most critical part of the build, as they are responsible for the actual crushing of the beans. While the exterior is modest and unassuming, the internal components are designed to handle regular daily use for standard brewing methods. The overall footprint is small enough to be tucked away, though its neutral black finish allows it to blend in with most modern kitchen appliances if left on the counter permanently. In terms of performance, the standout feature is the 28 precise grind settings. This level of adjustability is significant because different brewing methods require different particle sizes to achieve the best flavor. For instance, a French press needs a very coarse grind to prevent the coffee from becoming muddy or over-extracted, while a drip machine or a pour-over requires something much finer to ensure the water moves through the grounds at the correct speed. The Wancle grinder allows users to click through these settings to find the exact texture that suits their preferred brewing style. The Burr mechanism is central to why this performance matters in a home setting. In a blade grinder, some coffee particles end up as fine dust while others remain as large chunks, leading to a cup of coffee that can be both bitter and sour at the same time. The burrs in this machine create a more uniform particle size, which leads to an even extraction of oils and flavors during the brewing process. This results in a cleaner, more balanced taste that reflects the true profile of the coffee beans being used. The machine is capable of grinding enough coffee for up to 12 cups in a single cycle, making it practical for households with multiple coffee drinkers or for those who like to prepare a large pot of coffee in the morning. While it is powered by an electric motor and will naturally produce some noise during operation, it is designed to work efficiently to minimize the duration of the sound. The motor is calibrated to spin at a speed that helps reduce heat buildup. This is important because excessive heat during the grinding process can prematurely release the aromatic oils in the beans, which can dull the final flavor of the coffee before it even hits the water. By keeping the beans cooler during the grind, the machine helps preserve the integrity of the coffee. This grinder is best suited for individuals who are beginning to explore the world of specialty coffee and want to improve their home brewing experience without spending hundreds of dollars on professional-grade equipment. It is an ideal choice for someone who currently uses a blade grinder or buys pre-ground coffee and wants to taste the difference that a fresh, uniform grind can make. Because it offers a wide range of settings, it is particularly useful for people who enjoy switching between different brewing methods like drip, pour-over, and cold brew. However, it is worth noting that while it has many settings, it is primarily geared toward these standard methods rather than high-pressure espresso. Those who use a traditional espresso machine might find they need a more specialized, high-end grinder to achieve the extremely fine and consistent powder required for that specific process. For the vast majority of home users who rely on an automatic drip machine or a simple French press, this device provides exactly what is needed. It is also a good fit for students, people with small apartments, or anyone looking for a secondary grinder for a vacation home or an office setting. Its simplicity makes it approachable for those who do not want to deal with complicated programming or the physical effort of manual hand grinding. It serves as a bridge between basic coffee preparation and a more refined home barista experience. To wrap things up, the Wancle electric Burr coffee grinder represents a practical balance between cost and functionality. It successfully addresses the most common hurdle in home coffee brewing, which is the lack of grind consistency, and it does so at a price that is accessible to almost everyone. While the all-plastic construction might lack the premium feel of stainless steel or ceramic models, it serves its purpose by keeping the unit affordable and lightweight. The inclusion of 28 settings is a generous feature for a budget-friendly appliance, offering more versatility than many other grinders in this specific price range. It is a matter-of-fact tool that does its job without unnecessary flair. For the price of roughly $28, it offers a significant upgrade over basic grinding methods and helps ensure that the investment made in quality coffee beans is not wasted by poor preparation. It is a solid, entry-level option that prioritizes the fundamental needs of the daily coffee drinker, providing a reliable path to a better-tasting cup of coffee through the simple act of consistent, fresh grinding. While it may not satisfy the needs of a professional barista or an espresso purist, it is a highly effective tool for the average household looking to elevate their daily coffee experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.